Yeah. So in this topic, we'll be discussing about Python regular expression. See, what is a regular expression? See, a regular expression helps us to create a customized patterns, okay? And these patterns can be, you know, checked against a string, whether the string contains these pattern of characters, and if it is the pattern is found, then we can say take some message, send some message, or print some message, or take some action. Okay, so when I say pattern, the pattern which we create can be a combination of letters, digits, okay, or excluding certain letters or digits, okay, or pattern which starts with a specific set of characters, ends with specific set of characters, or starting and ending with specific set of characters. So all these things we can do with regular expression. Okay, so let us do something in our regular expression by practically. So I'll go to my Jupyter notebook. Look at this. For this, I need a package called RE, regular expression. Then first, let me just create a pattern. So let me call my pat, or pat is equal to. Let me just create a simple pattern. So the pattern is something like this. Okay, this particular character is for starting. Okay, so say let us say India, or you can call it Tamil Nadu, or let us call India. This is a pattern. So this pattern I'm looking at in another my string, my str is equal to, okay, India is in Asia. Fine. What happens is I am just going to apply a method called res result, re dot okay, search. Search is the method which is there in your package re. I'll just say pattern comma my string. Okay, my string. Then if, see, normally if you print that res, you will get a match object. Look at this. I'll just show you that. Res. See, there is a match found, spans between 0 to 5. That means 0 to 5th characters are India. Match is India. But instead of using this, we can do this way. If res, then we can say print, okay, found, else print not found. No, we can call no. Okay, so look at this, found. Okay, so this is called, this character denotes, okay, this particular pattern, okay, should start, okay, this particular pattern should start in another string. That's what it says. Okay, now if I say instead of dollar at the end, that means this pattern should be at the ending of a given string. Now I should get false here or no here. Look at this. No, because India is in Asia does not end with India. Okay, suppose if I say India, then it will be true. It is found. It's found. Okay, so this is a kind of simple pattern where we have caret for, okay, starting and dollar for ending, and I can say I can combine these two to give it starts with India and ends with Asia, and in between I can have any characters. So what I can do, dot denotes any character. Okay, and so first let me try this. Yeah, it says no. Why it says no now? It is looking for this particular pattern. Okay, it should start with India, then there should be a space followed by Asia. Suppose if this is the case, now probably it should be, look at this. Yeah, found, because this exact pattern, it starts with India, there is a space, then there is Asia. There is Asia. So pattern is found. Exactly, it matches. But suppose India is in Asia, it gives me no. It gives me no. So what I can do in this case, this pattern can be changed so that I can put a single dot and star. What do you mean by this now? I want a dot denotes any character other than new line character, any character for that matter, and star denotes 0 or more times. That means you can see here this space, this space, in all the space in all characters, they come under any character. Okay, and star denotes 0 or more times. Even if it appears 0 times, it should be true. Okay, so now you see it's found. Okay, so here the pattern says, okay, dot is for any character other than new line character. Okay, and star for 0 or more occurrence. 0 or more occurrence. Then case, suppose you see, okay, if I say 0 or more occurrence, even 0 occurrence will give you true. So I should just try this also. Look at this. Yeah, it's found because see 0 or more occurrence will given. Suppose you want even at least one time it should have occurred, then you should say plus CA. Okay, the plus denotes 1 or more occurrence. So in this case it will be false. It will be no. So I should give India. Okay, is in Asia, is in. So in this case it will give it true. So is in. Okay, dot. So the problem is any character 1 or more times. Why it's giving me false? Okay, so because I deleted. That's it. It's found. Look at this. The DA got deleted in India. That's the reason. Okay, fine. So here it says any character should occur 1 or more times. So it should, between India and Asia, at least there should be one character. Then only this will be true. Okay, fine. So the regular expression can be, of course, you can use a file to read data from the file and process it. So what I'll do, I'll just go here. I will open a file. I have a file here. Look at this. See, Raj Tilak, some names I kept. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just say FP equal to open d colon. This file is names. So Python names dot txt. Okay, fine. So just give enter. Now what I want to do is I want to read data from this file and match the pattern. So what I'll do, the pattern will be changed here. So you see, I want names ending with Tilak. So how do I match it? So look at this. I'll just do this way. I'll just say Tilak. Okay, fine. The pattern is here, and remove this, and I want to read data from this file. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use a while loop, or I'll use for data in FP. I'll read from the file. Okay, then the pattern, it cannot be matched directly like this. So you see what I'll do. See, if this is the case, you should do something like this. See, just say or, okay, B or F. Okay, then interpolation, because string interpolation. So I'll just say data. Okay, in my string, not my string, it is basically data, should be data. Okay, what it says, so sorry, pattern, this is pattern, this is data. Okay, so what it says, it says, 1 minute, actually what it says, okay, what it says, this particular formatted text with this particular pattern should be found in this data. So I'll just print data one by one. So lines will be read one by one. Look at this. See, Raj Tilak. Okay. So you see, now what I do, see, this pattern, okay, says which the pattern is, it should end with Tilak. Tilak dollar means end with Tilak, and data is the content which we read from the file. So it is searching. Okay, in this particular file, look at this. First, it searches here. Okay, if it's found now, if it is found, then it says message of found. Okay, look at this. I'll just say, I'll run again. See, found, no, it says. That means it's not found in any other lines. So what you can do, in which line it was found, you can get it. How can you get it? Look at this. I just say x comma data enumerate FP. See, whenever you enumerate, now for every record there will be a number associated with that, which will start at 0. So x will be 0 for the first record. So what I'll do, I'll just say found cat record number. I just say x plus 1. So first record, second record, like that. Okay, what was found? The pattern was found. No, so pattern was found. So I'll just say in data. Let us show the data. Okay, let us show the data. Now you see, I'll run again. I open the file again. I'll run it again. You see, found at record number 1 was Tilak. Otherwise, no. Okay. Suppose if I change the pattern, I want, it should start with Tilak. So what I'll do, I just go here. Caret. Now you see. Open the file again. In fact, you should close the file here. Close. So you see, found at record number 2, because the Tilak Verma is here. Okay, Tilak Verma. It starts with Tilak. Okay, fine. Then of course, we can go for some other pattern called, Arun Kumar, Kumar Sundar, Vijay Kumar. Ending with Kumar. Ending with Kumar means you can just go here. Kumar. Okay. Dollar. So you can just see here. So I'll read the file again. See? Found at record number 3, Arun Kumar, Vijay Kumar. Because both are record ending with Kumar. And we end with Kumar. Okay. So when you want to match pattern, okay, using a variable, okay, you must give, okay, or f. Or means basically the f denotes formatted text actually. The or denotes raw text. Basically, it's like this. Okay, or stands for raw text and f for formatted text. Okay, and this x, okay, will have value 0 for the first record, 1 for the second record. See, we have records here. See, x will be 0 for first record, 1 for second record. It goes on like that. When you enumerate, see, when you enumerate any sequence of data, for the corresponding data from the file, you will get x0, x1 like that. So we are matching this pattern. So see, whenever the pattern is in a variable, you should use string interpolation. That means within bracket. Okay, and this pattern is matched in the data. Data is the content which you read from the file. And if the match is found, then there will be a match object. Then you can just display record found at particular record number. Okay, so this is how you do, a basic pattern matching in our regular expression using Python. Okay, hope this session was useful. We'll meet in some other session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.